Guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. It's the day you've all been waiting for. She's back and she's got red lippy on, as always. How's it going? We are about to unbox. It's really heavy today, feel.
Oh my god.
Isn't it? Degustabox.
Yeah.
Yours normally arrives before mine.
Well,
so
it should have been delivered today.
So I was pleased with that.
Change it till tomorrow because I'm here, aren't I?
Yeah. So Degustabox is a monthly snack box. It is $12.99 a month. You can get it
so much a snack box, is it?
Yeah, snack and food.
Yeah, snack and food. It's not just snacks because they have like cooking sauces and wine and
like a sample box kind of thing.
Things that you probably would go to the supermarket and think, no, I wouldn't buy that.
Only if it's on offer.
Yeah.
And that's the thing with Degustabox.
Or things you've never tried before.
That's what I like it.
Yeah.
Things you wouldn't ever normally buy.
Yeah.
And quite a lot of the time.
Free.
Yeah, that's why I like it as well for Josh. My brother's celiac, so he steals all my stuff and has all of Mum's. But I do think Degustabox sometimes is the content will say like this costs $2.99, but you might have seen it in you might have seen it in Tesco's for £1.
No,
but it just depends on where you go to shop. So it's it's nice to be able to try things, but if you are somebody that shops at 10 different supermarkets to get bargains, you probably wouldn't like it.
I'm only shopping in Heron at the minute.
Yeah, so it comes by courier, doesn't it? You get a text to say, and then you get an hour block on the day, and you can divert it if you want to.
Yeah.
When you sign up, you get a code, and then if anyone uses that,
use my code,
or if anyone uses your code, you get 50 points, and when you get 100 points, you get a free box. So this is a free box. It's not PR; it's free because people have used my code. And yeah, it's like this.
It's massive. And I'll have the box when you're done.
I know you will. Mum likes the box.
Wow.
So it's July. It's just called the summer box. They have themes, which I don't always feel like are very
themey.
Yeah, they don't always tend to match, do they?
No, I can't remember what the last one was.
So this is just says July summer. So we'll grab the first thing. So the first thing we've got is plant pops, popped lotus seeds, peanut butter. They sound quite nice. We have the baby is asleep on the monitor, and those bubbles, that's his white noise. So I'm hoping you can't hear it too much, but I need it on just in case.
Plant pops are the new way to snack. Made with sustainably harvested lotus seed, which I've never heard of a lotus seed in my life. Popped and roasted before being tumbled with ground peanuts for a subtle peanutty taste.
They smell quite peanutty.
They're sweet. Oh, they do. They smell quite nice actually. Sweet, salty, and crunchy, making a Moorish snack.
I feel like I've had them before.
Delicious, drizzled in melted
but they're
chocolate or on porridge.
£1.50 a bag. Absolutely ridiculous.
It's just like a bag of puffed air, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shall I try one? You going to try one?
Yeah, I've got one here. I'm just sort of showing they're like little puffed.
There. That's what they look like. Don't really taste of anything. Do they?
No. A little bit of peanut butter maybe?
Very, very faint, slight.
They're alright. I think the girls will probably like them. I wouldn't
rush out and buy them,
for them is absolutely ridiculous. There is a dog there as well who is probably going to notice food in a minute. Hey,
he's alright. I'll hide him with my shoulder. Right, what's your next job?
Next is, I've had this before, Natvia. I've got one of these already.
Natvia, natural sweetener.
Yeah, they actually sent me a load.
We're not going to sample that, are we?
No, they actually sent me some of these.
Quickie Sugar is easy with Natvia, a great tasting sweetener made from 100% naturally sourced GMO-free
pants about the price.
I'm not even going. That's ridiculous.
How much is it, Mum?
£5. Who in their right mind? Surely it's a lot easier just to give up sugar.
£5 for that.
That is ludicrous.
300 grams. That is very expensive.
So what do you do with it? Do you put it in your coffee?
Yes, use it as a sugar substitute.
Oh my god.
That is
just give up sugar. It's a lot easier and a lot cheaper.
It's cheaper to use.
And it's better for you.
It'd be cheaper to use honey.
Yeah.
Or maple syrup or golden syrup or just that is very expensive. We're not going to taste it. I know what it's like. It's fine. It's just sweetener.
Oh, you can also bake with it. And cook with it.
Okay.
They're still expensive. What have we got now?
This is
Golden Creek.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks nice.
Oh, this looks good.
It's a blend of pure dark Canadian maple syrup and liquid sugar. So they're liquid sugar in one and substitute in the previous one. So they're giving you sugar with one hand and taking it away with the other. Now this isn't too bad. It's $2.49.
No. Oh, it's yummy.
Oh, it smells.
Dip your finger in.
No, I'm fine, darling. I don't want to get all sticky.
Yeah. Drink it.
Yeah, Golden Creek is ideal as an accompaniment to pour over your favourite desserts like pancakes, waffles or ice cream.
Vegan as well. Super yummy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's yummy. Okay, next.
Oh, it says you can get that in Ocado and Home Bargains.
Oh. So next we've got Premier Protein Chocolate Brownie.
Right, I found that, yes.
How many of these are we going to have? Is it just one? Yeah, just one.
One of these little chaps. Chocolate brownie flavoured protein bar. Well, it's basically a protein bar. You can't really say too much about a protein bar. So it's £1.49.
But it's because it's like a meal replacement.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I've had my lunch.
I know, it's just we're only going to have a bite.
Oh, are we? Oh, we're having a bite. Let me see if that's nice.
This tastes like a Mars bar. Just not sweet.
God, it's a bit heavy.
It's because it's a meal replacement.
I'd rather have a meal.
Yeah. 20 grams of protein. Yeah. £1.49.
No.
It's alright. But yeah, I wouldn't.
Quite chewy.
Yeah. Nice. Right. Oh, I've got something. Wonder.
Oh, what's that? Here we
An
are.
alternative to milk.
Wonder.
Ooh, it's pea protein. I've not had this one before.
A delicious dairy-free alternative to milk that's high in protein and epic in everything. Ooh. Wonderfully versatile. See the pun there? Wonderfully versatile. You can use it in exactly the same way as you use milk. Wonderfully nutritious. And it costs a wonderful £1.99.
Quite expensive. It's
I
more
don't
expensive
fancy it.
than
I don't fancy that at all. I'd rather have milk.
Oh no, it's nice.
Good.
Yeah, it's nice.
I hope you'll be very happy together.
Oh no, I like alternative. I love oat milk.
No, I like milk. Cold
it's
milk.
Nice. It just tastes a bit like, you smell it. It just smells a bit like vanilla milk. It tastes a bit like vanilla milkshake, to be honest. It's nice. That'll be fine. I'll let you know on the screen if it curdles in coffee, because I've searched high and low for one that doesn't, and Oatly doesn't, and nor does Innocent, but they're cheaper than that, so. Right.
What is that? That's a funny little thing.
Money Life.
Oh, you've got two of those, I think. You should receive two of these in your box. And you can get these from Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Ocado and Money Life.
So Money Life original roast crunchy peanut butter.
Oh, they're peanut butters. Oh, right. Well,
so one is a deep roast and one is a normal.
Yeah.
I'll open one
and they're
of them
60 pence each.
Open one of them just to have a little.
Well, you can get a jar of peanut butter for not much more than that. Can't you?
Oh, it's nice though, salty. I wouldn't pay 60p for this, but that is nice peanut butter. It's really salty. That is yummy. Oh, I like that.
Right, seal it up again.
99.1% peanuts and sea salt.
That's it? Gosh.
That is yum. I'm having that on a crumpet tomorrow. Yummy.
I've got crumpets in the box as well. What's that?
What is this?
Don't know. I haven't got anything wrapped in grey plastic on here. What is it?
Oh, it's the Skinny sauces. The Skinny Food Company. This is a gift. So this is just a gift in the box. I think everybody will get this. Oh, so you've got mayo.
Add flavour to any meal without adding high calories and sugars.
White chocolate and garlic mayo. And they're like 0 calorie sauces. I have seen these advertised.
No, there's over 70 flavours to choose from in the tabletop collection. And you will receive 4 single servings for on the go. So what have you got?
Mayo, ketchup, white chocolate and garlic mayo. I've got the salted caramel in a bottle and that's really nice. So I'll be interested. The ketchup I'm really interested to try because I do love ketchup. But on Weight Watchers or Slimming World it is always points and thins. So interested to see what they're like. I'll let you know. Oh, this looks like the girls will like this.
Oh, that's
Nesquik, all natural. Cocoa from West Africa with tropical raw cane sugar. See, I think coconut sugar is cheaper than this. And that's real sugar. That's real sugar. So I'm pretty sure coconut sugar is, obviously it's not 0 calorie, but coconut sugar is cheaper than that.
This is plastic free packaging.
Yeah, it's like papery kind of.
Made with natural ingredients. No artificial flavours or sweeteners. with great chocolatey taste.
I will go, as soon as we're finished filming, I will go and make the girls one of these each, and we'll get them to do a taste test, because they have Nesquik, and we'll see if they can tell the difference.
Yeah.
And I'll have some, because I used to have this a lot when I was little, didn't I?
Certainly did.
I love it.
Right.
Okay, next.
What's that?
Oh,
is it Minor Figures?
Minor Figures coffee. It's really cool packaging.
Nitro cold brew. You
But
should
it's
receive
caffeine.
1 in your box.
Yeah.
£1.95.
Yeah.
A little excessive.
Yeah.
And he has got the mocha sort of coloured one.
Yeah, so it's just a cold brew mocha in a can. Ben will be happy with this. No dairy. Cascading coffee, oat milk and cocoa, brewed in East London. No dairy. It's nice, but again, £2 a can is
when
ridiculous.
Opened, nitrogen is released to create a silky micro foam.
If you think about it, if you go to a coffee shop, you will easily spend £2.50 on a coffee.
Cost us £2.70.
Exactly.
But it's not, it's bigger than that.
That's 200 mils. That'd probably be like a little,
maybe.
Yeah. So it's probably not that expensive. But if you look at it as a can of drink, it's expensive. But if you look at it in terms of a coffee, it's not
expensive,
so.
No.
But I'll let Ben try that, because I'm not allowed the caffeine.
What's that one?
Oh God, a huge tub.
A Beto.
Beto fizzy gummy mix.
Right. Mixed gummy fizzy coated. Treat yourselves and enjoy the party.
Christ.
Beto. I smell.
God, I do.
The fantastic growing brand in the. It smells a bit plasticky.
Does it like nail varnish?
Do we try one?
Yeah.
Which is the worst one? What about this little orange thing? Well, it's like a little jelly baby, a jelly bear.
Yeah, all right.
Orangey.
Yeah.
How much do you reckon?
£4? More?
No.
2?
Yeah.
That's all right. £2 for a tub of sweets. All right.
That's good value.
I like these little things.
I've got a very chewy bear. Very chewy.
They're very chewy.
Each one is going to last a long time. I'm not sure about the blue ones.
That's what I just had. It was nice. It's raspberry.
All right.
I'll get the girls to come in and try them in a minute. And the last item
is
it a beer?
Prava, a lighter tasting lager.
See that? If you look, this is £2. Again, this is like comparing the things. That's £2 and that's £2.
You've got better off with that then.
And that's alcohol. So this is a Pilsner, lighter tasting Pilsner.
What's the alcohol content?
4%.
That's pretty weak.
Yeah, I know, but it's just like a lager though, isn't it? Lager is like that. So it's pale gold, sweet hint of malt and hop spice, light sweetness, hint of caramel, light and fresh and balanced.
And it's brewed in the UK.
So I will
It's a check.
Try this
lager.
Later on and let you know.
Mm,
I do love a beer. What's it like for calories, does it say? Is that what it's... I don't know whether it's... Is it lighter because it's less calories or lighter tasting?
Lighter tasting, I should think.
Right. I will quickly go and make the girls...
Oh, they've got a recipe on here with the Wonder Milk alternative and one for the Natvia sugar.
Oh yeah.
A sugar-free orange and chocolate cheesecake.
Mm.
So you're putting a lower sugar value in. But then you've got cream cheese and heavy cream.
Yeah.
3 eggs and some
dark
chocolate.
Yeah.
So it defeats the object a bit.
No, I don't think I'll use that.
I'm going to try that on the girls.
Yeah. If you like these videos, please do give it a big fat thumbs up.
Yeah.
You should.
And hopefully next week I will have... I've got my Look Fantastic box because they have delivered it to work again.
Again, do you want to tell everybody your life story?
No, sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Should we get the girls in to taste that?
Yeah.
Girls! You want to try one?
Yeah. This one.
A little bear, are we? Or a watermelon? Yummy, a little snake. Is it good and fizzy? Yeah. Right, you guys wait here with Granny Nana and I'm going to make you a next.
I'm going for the yellow. I'm going for blue.
Does it taste good?
Good.
What's it taste like?
Chocolate.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
You two can share that then.
What is it?
It's just chocolate milkshake. I tried it and it does taste nice. It tastes different, but it still does taste like nice chocolate milkshake.
God, they're enjoying that, aren't they?
I'm going to go to the dentist in a minute and leave them with you
Thank you so much.
Excited
So
chocolate
kind.
milk.
Yes.
Thanks
But
for
we're doing
watching.
jigsaws.
Yeah, we're going to do jigsaws.
Yeah.
So we will see you later. Girls, say bye.
Bye.